All right, kings and queens, we back. Underground builds. We in the shop, and I'm gonna just do a quick how-to video without any welder on how to make a patch panel. Quick, easy, simple on your A to B vehicle that you just needed to get you back and forth, but you still wanted to look pretty good when you got it on the road. So this ain't my vehicle. This is a customer vehicle, but he already know what we doing so that we can just get him back on the road. Don't want to put a lot of money into his vehicle. And you might have the same thing. You want it to look nice, but you don't want to dump a bunch of money into it. So we're going to do a quick patch without a welder. We're going to show you what we got going on. All right, kings and queens. So here's the nice rust hole on this Toyota Corolla, along with a good amount of rust here on the quarter, down at the bottom. And I'm gonna see if I can patch this thing up and make it look a little better. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is grind it out and clean it up as best as I can. All right, so we got everything ground out. Using my angle grinder and my drill. Got all of that cleaned up best as possible. We could do a little bit more, and I might. But let's move on to the next step. All right, so for this next step, I have some Fiberglass filler from USC. Gonna mix it up, make sure everything's good. And we have some wax paper. You can pick this up anywhere, you know, at one of your local stores or anywhere you can pick some of this stuff up. Gas stations, wherever. It all work good, all work the same. Got our spreader, got our sheets, got our hardener. And we just gonna mix on up. I got a good amount so I can spread it out the way I want. And we are going to make that patch and fill it on in. I'm gonna get this mixed up and I will cut you back on once I'm ready to spread. All right, so we got our filler ready to go. Duraglass filler. Same as tiger hair and all that good stuff. Fiberglass. We're gonna take us a sheet of the wax paper and I'm gonna apply it just like so. Now, what I'm going to do, take that and apply it just like that. Now, the wax paper is going to hold it all in place. I'm going to spread it as best as possible to hold where I need it to hold. Then what I'm gonna do with the rest, I'm gonna take some more and apply it to the inside. So it won't be just the outside, it'll be the inside as well. So I got it pretty much on the outside and the inside. I don't want to peel it until it's good and dry. But I just want to make sure I got that whole section like I want it. We're gonna give that time to dry and see what we get. Starting to dry already as it's drying up on our sheet here on our mixing board. So that's good. We'll let that dry and see what we got. All right, kings and queens, so we're gonna peel this and see what we got. All right, so as you can see, still got a little bit more to go to fill in, but we can definitely do that. But we filled in pretty much that whole section, one go around. And it's also filled on the inside too. So now I can hit that with some 36, kind of fill it in like I want to, put another coat on, and we can start shaping it up. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let me get to it and I'll cut you back on. right, so that was after the first swipe. Of course, it's not perfect. We're gonna finish it up, and I'm gonna jump in on some regular body filler and start shaping it like I want to. So once I got that like I want it, we'll get right back to it. All right, so I done shaped it up quite a bit. Still got a couple little spots. This is just 36. Couple spots I can shape it up a little bit more, make it look a little bit better. But from the rust hole that we had and the damage that we had at the bottom of this quarter, I mean, you gotta admit, it's a little bit better than what it was. And that's all we're looking for right here. We just want it better than what we had. It's not a big rust hole there. Kind of looks like a nice little quarter. Rust free. And that's what we want on our A to B get around town vehicle. So this is something that could possibly work for you. Now, is it the professional way to do it? I won't say that, but it could be the right way to do it for you. All right, kings and queens, we got this thing primed up, as you saw. Now listen, that ain't the greatest. As you can see the flaws in it. But it's the bottom of the quarter. I mean, we fixed it with a whole fiberglass patch and fixed the rust hole. Are we really expecting a whole lot? I mean, I could have done a whole lot more. Straightened it out, got the dolly and the hammer out, tried to straighten it all out. But if I'm gonna go that route, I could have just cut it out and welded in new metal and did it kind of like the right way. So this right here is a quick fix that anybody can do. You can do this. And I just wanted to show you that you can do it and how you can do it. And I think it looked pretty good for what we did and the route that we took. All right, kings and queens, so hopefully this video helps you out on how to patch up a rust hole with no welder, just using straight up wax paper with some fiberglass. You can do this with body filler too, but we use the fiberglass because it's gonna last a lot longer, not gonna absorb the water, you know, soak it up like body filler does. So that's gonna last you a little bit longer. And if it fails, guess what? We can either do it again or just go the route of doing it the right way. But this is a get around town, A to B transportation. We just need it to look good. So we're not putting too much stress and worry off into if that quarter is gonna fail us or not. We just want it to look good. And this is a way that you can get it done. So you can do this. This is simple and easy way to go ahead, knock out a rust hole, and get you back on the road. So listen, this is your boy, the UP King, the People's Champ, Underground Bills, and we out.